Yeah. So post-purchase process, here we are talking about positive and negative post-purchase process. Okay. So always remember students, post-purchase process, either it will be positive or else negative. Okay. Customer, whenever he is satisfied with the product what he has bought, he goes on passing on the positive messages to the rest of the reference group. He becomes a reference group. He'll go on passing on the message to others. So that's what we call it as positive post-purchase process. Negative, when I say, if he's unhappy about the product, he'll never buy the product and he'll tell to the world this product is not good from this particular website or from this particular vendor. Okay. So customer satisfaction and commitment, that's what it's talking about. And the important part for 3 marks question, post purchase dissonance. A very important term, students, post purchase dissonance. Okay, if you see the image what I put over there, okay, is it visible in the handouts? You can check that. Okay, dissonance, when it happens, it arises when a person must take a difficult decision, such as heavily invested purchase between two similarly appealing alternatives. Okay, so please understand, whenever a customer wants to buy something, now take an example of in Belgavi, the Reliance and Big Bazaar, they are very next to each other. Okay, now, should I go to DMart or should I go to Big Bazaar? Is a big question mark for the customers. That confusion, what we say, difficult decision for the customer, we call it as post-purchase dissonance. Okay, so it arises when a person must take a difficult decision, okay, such as heavily invested purchase between two similarly appealing alternatives. Okay, now say for example, if I'm planning to buy a Swift car, okay, and with the same features, if I'm getting in the Toyota as well, now I'm really the customer is in dissonance. Should I go for Swift or should I go for Toyota? Is a big question mark. Okay, should I go for Maruti 800? Should I go for Pulsar 125 or 150? Is a big question mark. Or should I go for Honda Shine or should I go for Hero Splendor? So this is something we call it as dissonance. Okay, is that clear, students? The concept. Any questions in these 2 points? Please let me know. Hello. Any questions? Any ambiguity? Okay, a few people. Okay. No questions. Shall we move to the next part?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Fine. Now, the next part, what we are going to discuss is, okay, 1 second. There are a few people. Okay, disposition. Okay, disposition. The word itself says whenever a customer is planning to dispose of the products, we call it as disposing. Nowadays, product disposition has become very very simple and easy. The reason is, if you are bugged up with the product, if you are tired of using the product, you got something called as OLX, wherein you can sell your product, the used product. Okay, you can do that. So that's what we call it as disposing. The word itself says you use it for the certain time and later you go for disposing the product. The customer does this, he'll dispose the product. Okay, disposition refers to disposing of an asset through sale, assignment, or transfer method. Either you'll sell it, okay, or else you'll transfer it to someone else. That's what we call it as disposition, customer product disposition. Okay, so giving it to someone else or else selling it off, we call it as disposition. Okay. Vinith, okay. Now is it fine, Vinith? Hello, check. Hello. Is it audible? Yeah, okay, fine, fine. Okay, done. So this is what we called as product disposition. Okay, now these 3 points, have a glance at it. Any questions, any ambiguity, please let me know. Okay. Else we'll move to the next part and we'll finish that important part as well, which we call it as CRM. Any questions in this? Please have a glance, students, and let me know. Okay. Uh, People are joining. Let's wait. Minaj, what is the reason why Srinidhi is not doing the presentation today? Did she contact you or something?
Yes, sir.
What happened? Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Did she contact you?
Actually, yes, sir. She is attending a marriage, I think.
Okay.
She told me
Fine.
like that.
Okay, okay. Okay, fine. Not an issue. Okay, I'll cover students, not an issue. Minaz, you can do some other topic for the presentation, unit 5 or some other topic, whichever you feel comfortable, or some case studies as well. Okay. Yeah, let's finish this. Okay, in short, I'll be telling. You can go through the handouts later. CRM, there's a very important concept, students. CRM, and we say customer relationship management. Okay, the marketer wants to build a relationship with the customer. Okay, now it's all about the why this marketer is building a CRM with the customers is because for the longer run he wants the business from this customers. That's the main reason why marketer is building a very good relationship with the customers. Okay, there are two types. One is operational CRM and collaborative CRM. Operational CRM, when we say, generally refers to the products and services that allow an organization to take care of their customers. It provides support for various business processes, which can include sales, marketing, and service. Okay. Now, the best example for operational CRM, the best example you can take is contact centers, that data aggregation system. Websites are the very best example for operational CRM. Okay. When I say collaborative CRM is a communication with the customers and covers direct interaction with the customer, including feedback and issue reporting. Whenever you go to some outlets, say for example the service sector like hotels, when you go, okay, they immediately take the feedback from you. Okay, say for example, when you buy something from Flipkart or Amazon, immediately an email will shoot up in your mailbox saying that how was the product, are you happy with the product delivered, was it delivered on time, blah blah blah. There will be various questions asked by the marketer, so that they build a very good relationship with the customer. Now there are a few strategies which is self-explanatory, just points I'll be taking you through. One is customer satisfaction. Marketer always, to build a CRM, he tries to keep the customer satisfied. Okay, that's a key point. What the marketer does. Then express appreciation. Okay, the customer always looks for the appreciation. Okay, so that he keeps the customer loyal for the longer run. Then here the marketer always tries to build the trust and keep it for the longer run. Okay, and always whenever there are offers or something, there is a constant communication from the marketer to the customer. He keeps on updating you over a phone or else an SMS or as an email. So that's what we call it as building a CRM. This is one more strategy. Then marketer is always available, all time he's available for the customer. Whenever a customer asks, comes up with any queries or any concerns, then the marketer will always try to help it out. Okay, that's what we call it as strategy. Is one more strategy of the CRM. Okay, so have a glance at it, students, for a minute or two. Then we'll come up with. Let me cover ECRM as well. ECRM, when we say electronic CRM, okay. Now your generation, this is a boom 2020, wherein electronic CRM is in big phase, wherein you see marketer trying to build more and more relationship with the customer. Okay, now how it works, whenever you buy any product, you give your complete details like your email ID, contact number, all the details, your phone number. So marketer collects those database, and whenever he wants to do a promotion, he goes on sending you the messages. He'll wish you on the occasions whenever it's like, say for example on your birthdays, on your anniversary, on the happy, on the new year, on the Christmas. Okay, why he does this? He'll be having your name as well, and say for example Varun, happy birthday, because you have given your database over there, your birthday is on so and so date. Okay, your anniversary is on so and so date. Okay, so these are the occasions wherein the market will never miss it. Why he does this? because the customer feels that the marketer remembers him, and the next time your purchases happens from the same website, reason is because of the very nice relationship what the marketer has built with the customer. So that's what we call it as electronic CRM. Okay, so this is in a short way what is CRM and ECRM. Okay, quite a simple one. Now have a glance at it. Any questions in that, please let me know. Okay, and we'll cover it up, we'll finish it off. Okay, unit 5, keep your presentations ready, students. Okay, and those who are not comfortable with unit 5, then you can pick some other topic and you can do some case studies if you want, you can do, not an issue. Just let me know in advance. Okay, so yeah, here we wind up unit 6. Any questions, any ambiguity, please let me know. From the next classes, we'll be doing case studies and the presentations. Okay, from coming class, it will be case studies and presentation. The next case study would be Coke and PepsiCo, requested by Vinith. Yeah, we'll be doing that. Any other cases, anything else, please let me know.
So the difference between CRM and ECRM.
Yeah. See, difference, Minas, it's quite simple. Whenever you go through the concept of CRM and ECRM, okay, then the difference are self-defined. You can write it on your own. Okay. You want me to cover that?
Sir, that first point I didn't understand. So,
Okay. ERP, the work backend applications through ERP system. When we say ERP system, okay, now say for example, you give your, just now I said about the database, okay, the database is collected, okay, whereas in ECRM what happens, design for the front end application which interface back end application through ERP system, okay, data warehouse and data mart. Okay, now say for example you are a customer of more outlet. Okay, just an example, you are a customer of more outlet and you make the purchases every month. Okay, you are making the purchases every month. You got a something called as membership card. Yeah, Minas, you have visited more. Hello.
yes, sir.
Okay, you have a membership something.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Okay. Now say for example, okay, okay, you got a Airtel SIM or Geo SIM? Which SIM card you use?
Jio and Airtel.
Okay, you got Phone Pay and Paytm something? Phone Pay,
Google
Paytm,
Pay, sir.
Google Pay. Okay, great, great, not an issue. So enterprise resource planning, ERP. When we say enterprise resource planning, it's a software. Please understand. Okay, what it does is it will be covering your day-to-day activities, whatever purchases you make, whatever sale you make. Now, say for example, if you have made a electronic bill payment of electricity bill payment on 1st of December, okay, next month, though you don't ask the update, the marketer will update you what is your bill and you're supposed to pay it. Okay, this is done with the help of ERP system. Yeah, making sense? Hello, Minas.
Yes, sir.
So the system will keep updating. Now you'll be wondering how the system is doing this, because of the marketer
Sir,
wants to
your
build.
voice is very low and
Okay.
it's
Okay,
breaking.
the marketer wants. Now is it fine? Hello, check. Hello. Okay. Hello. Is it audible, Minas?
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, why this is done? Because marketer wants to build a relationship with the customer. Okay. He wants to build a relationship with the customer so that the customer will not go to the other side. He'll continue with my site itself. Okay. You might have experienced this. The recharge you might be doing only on phone pay, or as the payment you might be doing only on Google Pay. Because of the offers given by the marketer, you'll continue to do so, and he keeps on updating your bill reminder, your recharge plan is going to expire on so and so date, please recharge it on Paytm or as on Phone Pay and get 20 rupees discount. So that 20 rupees is something is triggering you to get back to the same site and recharge the cell phone. So this is how they build the relationship with the customers. Clear? There is no, see, this is nothing got to do with the customer. All they want is to build a relationship and get more and more business. That's it. Okay, so one is system interface, second is customer contact. Customer contact initiated through traditional means of retail store, telephone, and fax. Earlier days, CRM was all about the calls. Okay, they used to call the customer and update, wish the customers on their birthdays or occasions. Nowadays, eCRM is all about emails. Okay, they send an email, they send an SMS through the internet, they do this. Then system overhead computer client computers, web-enabled applications required to PC client to download the various applications. Whereas in ECRM, no such requirements. The browser is the customer portal to the ECRM. The database is saved, the birthdays are saved, automatic the email will be sent to the customer. Okay. Then customization and personalization of information. In CRM, there is a personalization of information. Let's understand how this works. Now, Poddar, he knows few customers, he knows many customers personally. Whenever they go, he knows their choice, what they require, when they require, and what is the occasion. Whereas when we say customization, say for example, when it's online, you have bought a cell phone. Okay, say for example, you bought an iPhone, okay, iPhone 11, whatever it is. When you buy an iPhone, the marketer will immediately send you the wireless AirPods available in the market, or else the similar products which is a related product to your cell phone. Recently, what you bought, the related product is available for you, exclusively for you in the market. So why this is done? To build a relationship with the customer. So that now let me put it in very simple term. If I bought a cell phone, I have not bought a tempered glass. Okay, after 2 days, if I log into Amazon, the first suggested product for me will be the tempered glass available for your cell phone. The reason is the marketer has my database. Okay, so he goes on pushing the product. Then system focus. System is designed around products and job function. Okay, so here it's all about system is designed around the products. Here the main focus is on the products and with the building the relationship with the customer, whereas over there system is designed around the customer needs. In ECRM, the marketer wants to know what is the need of the customer. Okay, next, what would be their need? Just now I said, if I bought a cell phone, my next need would be antivirus. If I buy a laptop, my next need would be antivirus. If I buy a cell phone, my next need would be tempered glass. After that, SIM card. After that, earphones. After that, charger. So these are something my need. I'm telling it to the customer. Before I tell it to the customer, the marketer will himself check for the products and suggest me the products. So this is how they build the relationship with the customers. Yeah. Now is it clear the differences? In the exam, if you know the applications of the differences, you can write it. If you don't know the criteria, then please skip it, not a problem. You can straight away write difference between CRM and ECRM. Okay, is that fine? Okay, hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, students. I just wanted to jot down few cases. One is Vinith has said about PepsiCo and Coke. Anything else other than that? And keep your presentations ready. Whenever there is a next session, please keep your presentations ready. Do not delay it. Don't postpone it again and again. Okay, just keep your presentations ready, students. Okay, let's finish off presentations as well. Okay. Yeah, and any cases which is bothering, we need to discuss, just let me know. I might have shared somewhere around 10 cases of CV. If we should we cover that initially, then go to the other. How is it? Just let me know. Okay. And the portion for your second internals would be Unit 3 and Unit 4. Okay. Again, I repeat, the portion for your second internals is Unit 3 and Unit 4. Okay.
Sir, unit 3 and unit 4, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Hmm. Are there any questions? Just let me know. Okay. Fine. Okay, in the next class, who wants to do the presentation of Unit 5? Anyone? Ready? So that I can block your calendar for next class. Is it ready?
Yes, sir, I will.
Nas, you say yes and later you don't turn up. Okay,
No,
so
sir.
okay, okay, fine. Okay, fine. Okay, not an issue. Okay, done. Anything else, students?
Sir, definitely I will do.